Concentrate, focus, control the weight, faster. Come on, faster. 8. Hey, get that arm more extended out. There you go. Get up, get up, get up. Stop. Get up. All right, go. Grab the 20s. Ten reps, go. Clench your back. 1, 2, like that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to 20s. Come on, Bird, let's go. Let's hustle, let's get it. 25s, come on, let's go. Come on, 10 reps, let's go. 10 good ones. Come on, get up. Come on, focus. Come on, Bird. You control the weight. Slow back down. Up. Again. Go to 8, 2, 3. Perfect. 4. Come on. You're doing good. 5. Control it, Bird. Control it, Bird. You ain't done. Come on. 4 more. Let's go. Stop resting. Control, Bird. Control. Focus. You're not focusing. Focus. Breathe. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Push, push, push. All right, go to 5s, go to 5s. Go to 5s, I want you to do 20 reps. Good reps, like that same speed, like that. Good reps. Keep that speed. Don't go faster, keep the speed. Slow it down. Keep going, yeah. Like that, good. Keep going, you're almost there. Come on, keep going. Remember, we're in Planet Fitness. Shh. All right, go, don't rest, come on, grab the 10s. I want you to go 15 reps. Let's go, Bird. Come on, don't stop, let's go, faster. 15 reps. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Control it, Bird. Slow down and control. There you go. 14. All right. I want you to do 8 reps with the 20s. 8. Come on, 8 perfect reps. Focus on the weight. Focus. Clench your back and focus. Press. Just press as hard as you can, but keep the shoulder down, but press it. Just keep pressing. Don't yell. Just keep pressing. Keep pressing as hard as you can. Press, 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 press. I want to see you at least move it up an inch. Come on. All right. Put it down. Go back to 5s. Only 30 reps, but good. 30 reps and good.